This is how my teeth look on day 1 before I whiten my teeth at home for the next 6 days. I know this is a very random video, but let's just go along with it. You're already here. This is the whitening powder I will be using from Amazon. It's called Better White Teeth Whitening Powder, and it's made from 3 ingredients: HAP, baking soda, and xylitol. It does say this 30 grams is 6 months worth of supply, and I will be using this powder to brush my teeth after my normal brushing routine with toothpaste. Honestly, I did not think I would find myself brushing my teeth on the internet, but here we are. I have dipped a wet toothbrush in the powder and I am gently brushing my teeth for a good 2 to 3 minutes. This is how my teeth look immediately after. Okay, fast forward to the end of the week. I'm repeating the same process, taking the powder on my toothbrush after I brush normally. And I won't lie, it does feel weird brushing with this powder because it doesn't foam like toothpaste. But anyways, here is the result after 1 week of use. I am very surprised this worked. I did not see a difference until I put my before and after side by side. I do believe my teeth have definitely whitened 2 to 3 shades brighter. It has been exactly 1 week of me trying to whiten my teeth at home using this teeth whitening powder that I found on Amazon with a lot of 5-star reviews. So I had to try it out myself, and honestly, during the process of this past 6 days, because you're supposed to use this for 6 continuous days and then once every 3 months. So during those 6 days, I won't lie, I don't think I was seeing any difference. I do feel like looking back at the footage, maybe there is a slight difference. I don't know. I'll have to see once I put a before and after, but I can say it has whitened my teeth a tad. In terms of my teeth health, I drink coffee like once or twice a day, every single day, and usually I do take my coffee with water. I'll drink some water beforehand and afterwards, so the coffee doesn't really just sit in my mouth all day long. Whenever I get the chance, I do try and brush my teeth after drinking coffee. I have noticed as the years have gone by, I do feel like my teeth have gotten less white, we can say. I won't say yellowed, but you know, there is a bit of yellowing here and there. After looking back at the footage, I will say I do see a little bit of a difference, though during the process I didn't really see much of a difference. So it all depends really on your perspective. I would recommend doing a before and after to check out your progress, because during the process it's very hard to have any sort of perspective on if your teeth are getting whiter or not. In terms of the actual application of the product, it is a powder, and it does say you can put your normal toothpaste on your toothbrush and then dip it in the powder, which I was doing because it's very awkward and hard to brush with just the powder by itself. It feels like you're basically brushing with nothing on your brush and you're just having a collection of saliva in your mouth, which is uncomfortable. And it does say to use this for 10 to 15 minutes. It is a little bit confusing because it says gently brush teeth for 2 to 4 minutes. Then at the bottom it also says use for 10 to 15 minutes for 6 continuous days. That is very confusing. Like, is it 2 to 4 minutes or is it 10 to 15 minutes? But I think 10 to 15 minutes of brushing your teeth is ridiculous. I did not do that, and I wouldn't recommend you do that. I simply dip my toothbrush with toothpaste in the powder. I brush my teeth for the normal 2 to 3 minutes, and then afterwards I would go back in with just the powder for another minute or so to try and get the most out of the product. And I feel like that has made up the minutes if we're supposed to do it for 10 to 15 minutes. So that is how I would recommend you do it. Yeah, otherwise in terms of taste, it's very refreshing. Of course, it's a whitening powder. It would taste like mint. It doesn't leave my mouth feeling weird. I feel very refreshed and clean afterwards. So yeah, I would say overall it's been a positive experience. I would recommend it, but just don't expect mind-blowing results overnight. Obviously, I don't think I'll be using it every single day, but maybe once in a while when I feel like my teeth need that little bit of a boost or brightening power. I don't think I'm going to remember to use this every 3 months exactly, unless I set a reminder. But if you do have any home DIY tips on how to whiten your teeth, then please do let me know. I would love to try out your recommendation. Believe it or not, I absolutely love trying out random things if they work and if there is going to be some sort of benefit for me. So please do let me know if you have any tips and tricks for whitening your teeth at home. Otherwise, guys, that was my 6-day, 1-week experiment of trying to whiten my teeth. I hope it was useful. I will link below where I got my products from. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.